Looking for a dime. James Locke in the house, gonna help you shine.
All right, welcome everyone. Welcome to the Poole Locke YouTube channel. I'm James Locke. Today we're going to answer some of the Ask James questions of the day. So now we have a question from Beth, and she asks, do I really need an estate plan? I don't have many assets, just my house, my car, my 401k. I've never been married and I have no kids. Well, the short answer is yes. Yes, absolutely you need an estate plan, even with a modest amount of assets. An estate plan isn't just about passing on your wealth after you're gone. It's also about protecting yourself and your hard-earned money while you're still alive, especially as you get closer to retirement age. So let's start with that 401k. Making sure your beneficiary designations are up to date is crucial, so your retirement savings go exactly where you want after you pass away. But have you thought about, what would happen if you became incapacitated before retirement? Who would manage your finances and make decisions about your investments? This is where a durable power of attorney comes into play, designating someone you trust to handle your affairs if you cannot. So speaking of your investments, do you have a plan for drawing income from them in retirement? Structuring your portfolio and accounts for steady cash flow is critical once you stop earning a paycheck. So an estate plan, coupled with guidance from a financial advisor, can ensure your money lasts as long as you need it to. So your home is likely your biggest asset. Do you want to just leave it to specific people, sell it and invest the proceeds? And an estate plan lays out your wishes. And if you have to enter a nursing home, it protects that home from potentially having to be sold to cover costs. So you may not have a spouse or kids, but you could have other beneficiaries like siblings, nieces, nephews, or charities that you want to leave something to. An estate plan makes those intentions crystal clear and legally binding. So the key is taking the time now to get your affairs in order through estate planning documents like a will, trust, power of attorney, beneficiary designations. Investing for income is vital in retirement, but protecting that income is just as important. Having a comprehensive estate plan in place gives you control and peace of mind over your finances, health, and legacy. So yes, even with modest assets, take my advice, get an estate plan done. Hey, thanks for a great question. That's a fantastic question. And if you'd like to send in your question, you can do so by emailing it to poollocke@poollocke.com. Moving on, our second question of the day. That's from Carl. He says, I did a will online to try to save some money on fees. Do I need anything else? Okay, so you're trying to save some money on fees, and now what do you need to do? Well, an online will is better than nothing when it comes to protecting your assets and income streams for retirement, but you'll likely want more comprehensive estate planning. The biggest risk with a basic online will is that it may not fully cover your intentions or comply with state laws. And unlike other legal documents, you can't go to court later on and clarify what you meant. The will stands as is after you're gone. So this could open up challenges from heirs over ambiguous things or leave assets unprotected. For instance, did your online will let you specifically mention how you specifically want retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks paid out to beneficiaries? Or how to handle real estate, insurance policies, business interests? Covering those assets properly is key to ensuring your hard-earned wealth passes on as you intended for income in retirement. So an estate planning attorney can also advise you on strategies like trust to help manage and distribute assets in a tax-efficient manner for your heirs, or how to title accounts for maximum protection from your income streams. So these kind of more advanced strategies probably weren't covered in a basic online will. Additionally, a good estate plan includes powers of attorney to designate trusted people to handle your finances and healthcare decisions if you become incapacitated before passing away. You also want an updated living will to specify your end-of-life wishes, as laws change frequently in this area. So while the online will may check that basic box, take a look at all your retirement income sources and assets. You may find it's worth investing in more comprehensive estate planning now. This ensures your income is managed and distributed properly. Your wishes are crystal clear, and you maximize what goes to your heirs after legal costs. So getting expert guidance can give you peace of mind that your income is truly protected for the long run. All right, thanks for another great question. And if you'd like to send in your question, you can always do so, emailing it to poollocke@poollocke.com. And hey, if you like what you heard, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. And I am James Locke, your retirement income source. See you next time.
Money on my mind, looking for a dime. James Locke in the house, gonna help you shine. Retirement is near, don't you live in fear. Listen up, my friend, let me make it clear. Savings in the bank.